What's up, YouTube? So, I'm coming to y'all with a video, man. So basically, my door is like, it won't shut. And I've looked up so many videos on how to make your door shut. So I'm finna show y'all what it do when I try to shut it. So basically, this thing needs to be replaced because it won't latch to that. But watch. See that? But what I find out, if I put tape on this thing, it'll stay. Hold on, I'm finna come back to y'all with. Basically, what I just figured out is that if you put black tape on the striker, it'll make the door stay shut. Black electrical tape. See what? Just like new. See that? So there you have it, folks. If you need your door to shut, that's all you gotta do. If you not already like, comment, subscribe, I'm gonna subscribe, click the notification. Thank you.